Hey, what's going on, everybody? Chris from Motorsports International. Hope you're following along on this Talon R build. First step, getting the aluminum doors on. I'm doing some riding this weekend. Might run into some sticks. Don't want anything coming in that I do not want in there. Should be pretty straightforward. Honda dialed it down pretty good. Comes with everything you need to put them on. Little downside, I'm not going to have the cool Talon decal still on there, but I think I'll live with it. Show you what we're doing over here. Like I said, should be pretty straightforward. It's still going to utilize the stock window nets, which will be very nice. I don't have to deal with finding some new ones that fit as well as this. So I will be removing the window nets, the door panel. I should be able to access the screws from there and then bolt the other one on. So hope you like the video. Thank you. All right, so that went pretty smooth. Just want to show you a few things. I was a little confused a little bit. Window nets still go on perfectly. Slight rattle. I think I'll deal with it. The stock doors had a slight rattle. Didn't really bother me that much. So utilize stock hardware, but use their new screw. So that means you're using the plastic washer on the back side, the wave washer on the front. This side, you're using the existing hardware, bolt washer, use supplied hardware. That bolt hole's not used, and then just check the alignment. I find it easier latch the door, lift it to where it's about right, tighten it up. As you can see, Rob, the camera guy, helped me put the other side on, but he was a little tied up. I could put it on myself, so you can do it by yourself. An extra hand never hurts, but hope you enjoyed that. Went nice and smooth. I'll test them out this weekend. Thank you.